Hello and welcome to Brainy Gardener. Today, it is all about how to grow and care for the Old Man Cactus. The Old Man Cactus, botanical name Cephalocereus Senilis, is a columnar cactus that can grow up to 50 feet tall. It is native to the mountainous landscapes of Mexico. These cacti take over 15 years to reach maturity. They are being aggressively harvested from their natural habitat. It is an endangered species due to overcollection for the horticultural trade. It is a popular garden cactus and can be found in many homes and gardens. It has a thick, solitary, sometimes branched trunk covered in soft, hair-like white spines. These spines give the cactus the appearance of a wizened old man, hence the name. Flowers are nocturnal and appear one after another, not all at the same time. Fruits appear after a month of flowering. Growing this cactus is not difficult, but it does require some specific conditions. Old Man Cactus grows in direct sunlight in its native habitat. For indoor cultivation, the conditions required are slightly different. It still needs plenty of light to grow well, but some shade will be still required. It can handle full sun in colder climates, but will need some shade in hotter climates. Old Man cacti need good watering during the growing season, more so than some of their cousins in the cactus family. Water only when the soil is dry to the touch, and make sure that the pot has drainage holes to avoid water logging. Water the plant just to keep the soil from completely drying out during the winter months. The optimal temperature range for this plant is from 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. It can tolerate a wide range of temperatures but prefers intermediate to warm climates. Old Man Cactus does best in a low humidity environment. Less moisture means a higher chance of the plant surviving extreme colds. Be particularly mindful if your area regularly experiences cold drafts. Cephalocereus Senilis is a slow-growing plant and won't speed up by any fertilizer. But if you've been keeping your cactus outdoors, there is a slight chance that a small dose of feed in early spring might yield flowers. Remember, this is only an option for mature specimens. Old Man Cactus can be propagated by both seeds and cuttings. If you're using cuttings, only cut from a branching stem. If you cut the main trunk, you'll stunt the cactus growth for months to come. Then, give the cut end a few weeks to harden and callus over. Once the wound is good and healed, plant the cutting into fresh soil with the cut end buried in the potting medium. Cuttings take root easily. Seeds are also an option and quite a viable one. They will germinate in 2 to 3 weeks and can be direct sown into the soil. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and water well. Unlike their fully grown counterparts, seeds want high humidity in order to germinate. Wrap a plastic wrap around the pot to trap the moisture. Old Man Cactus takes a long time to grow, as such won't need frequent repotting like other plants. Generally, they will require repotting once every 3 to 4 years. These plants can get quite large, so it's best to plant them in a too big pot rather than too small. Choose a well-draining potting medium. A cactus mix is a safe choice. Mineral-rich soils are a must if you're hoping for consistent growth. When the time comes, carefully remove the cactus from its pot and check the roots. If they're tightly bound, then gently loosen them before repotting. Be patient and avoid damaging any roots in the process. Choose a pot that's only slightly larger than the root ball and has drainage holes. This plant is non-toxic to both people and pets. It is quite hardy and doesn't suffer from many pests or diseases. If you find any, it's most likely because of an inadequate watering or fertilizing routine. Root rot can sometimes occur, but you can easily avoid it by keeping the plant dry.